How to fix Microsoft Office error 30016-4 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If the Office installation is corrupted, repairing it can solve the issue by restoring or replacing damaged or missing files. Accumulated temporary files might interfere with the installation. Clearing these files can create a smoother installation environment. Like antivirus software, Windows Firewall might block the installation. Disabling it temporarily might aid in the installation process. A fresh installation might resolve any lingering issues by removing corrupted files and replacing them with new ones. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.